You ever have one of those moments where you've talking to another investor and suddenly realize, wow, we've all been fed the exact same script? Because for years, whenever the topic of passive income came up, the answer was almost automatic: buy rental properties. It didn't matter who you were talking to, your uncle, your realtor, some guy on YouTube. Everyone acted like rentals were the one true path to financial freedom. And I believed it too, until I started spending time around investors who were a few steps ahead of me, and ones who weren't just building portfolios, but building lives they actually wanted to live. And what surprised me was how many of them quietly said something new. Honestly, I rather own notes. At first, I brushed it off because notes aren't flashy. They're not HGTV worthy. Nobody's posting TikToks about calculating borrower seasoning or loan to value ratios. But the more I listened, the more I made sense. A lot of sense. Let me walk you through in the same way they walked me through it. No list, no lecturing, just a conversation about why notes ends up being the smarter, calmer, more freedom-filled path. The first thing that really hit me was how different it feels to be the bank instead of the landlord. With rentals, you're basically signing up to be on-call support for strangers. Tenants, toilets, turnovers, the famous three T's, plus all the little surprises that come with owning a building human beings live in. Something is always making noise, leaking, breaking, or needing your attention. Now switch roles. When you own a note, you're not the landlord, you're the bank. The bank does not fix garbage disposals. The bank does not chase down tenants. The bank does not care if the water heater died on Christmas Eve. The bank just receives payments. That simple shift removes 90% of chaos people think comes with real estate. It doesn't come with real estate. It comes with rentals. You don't have to play that game. Then there's the cash flow. Rental income looks great on paper until real life shows up. All it takes is one repair, one vacancy, one unexpected city fee, and the whole month flips upside down. People love to say rentals are passive income, but realistically, they're passive until something breaks. And something always breaks. Notes are different. When you're holding a performing note, the payment is already established. It's predictable. It's consistent. It doesn't fluctuate based on whether roof decides to behave this year. It shows up like clockwork, and you can actually rely on it the way you should rely on a paycheck. And here's the surprising part. Notes can actually be safer than rentals. Most people assume the opposite because the rentals you have is owning the property. By owning the property, you also means owning the liability. Tenants damaging the home, new regulations, unexpected repairs, rising insurance. You're exposed to everything. With notes, the property is still there, but now it's your collateral, not your obligation. And you usually buy that debt at a discount. That discount acts like the built-in protection. If everything goes smoothly, great. You earn a high yield. If the borrower stops paying, you're not stuck bleeding cash while you wait for the eviction. You have options. You can adjust the loan, sell the note, or take back the property with equity already on your side. Meanwhile, a landlord, options are usually lose money, lose more money, try not to lose all your money. The next thing that clicked for me was scalability. Every rental property adds more moving parts to your life. Another appliance, another tenant, another potential headache. Even if you outsource everything, you're still responsible for everything. You're still the owner. Notes don't pile more weight onto your shoulders. You can buy multiple notes without multiplying your stress. There's no renovation phase, no construction timelines, no contractors to babysit. You do your due diligence, you close, and the note starts performing. That's it. And suddenly, you realize you can scale notes way faster than you can scale rentals, because you're not dragged down by the physical side of real estate. You're dealing with the financial side. And the financial side is lighter, smoother, and easier to grow. But the real reason notes win, and this is the part that nobody really talks about enough, is freedom. Not theoretical freedom, real lived freedom. Most people don't get into real estate because they want a second job. They don't dream of arguing with tenants about late fees or replacing roofs on weekends. They want time. They want peace. They want income that doesn't follow them around like a needy pet. Notes give you the income without the identity of a landlord. No drama, no emergencies, no "can you come and look at this" messages. Just a clean, consistent flow of income backed by real estate, without the parts of real estate that drain your energy. Once you experience that, once you get that first note that quietly pays you every month without asking anything from you, it changes you. It makes you wonder why more people aren't doing this. It makes you question the whole rentals are the only way narrative we all grew up with. Because when you step back and look at the big picture, it becomes pretty obvious. Rentals makes money, but notes give you your life back. And at the end of the day, isn't that exactly what we're really all chasing? Not more roofs, not more tenants, but more freedom. And something else I've noticed, people who move into the notes often talk about the almost unexpected mental shift. It's like they go from constantly monitoring the investment to suddenly feeling their investments are quietly taking care of them. With rentals, your brain is always half occupied. You're thinking about lease renewals, property taxes, insurance renewals, seasonal maintenance, whether your property manager is actually managing. There's a low level of tension that you just learn to live with. But with notes, you don't demand any of that mental estate. They don't hover in the background of your thoughts. They don't nudge you every week. They just do their job, as you can focus on actually living your life. And for a lot of people, that psychological freedom ends up being more valuable than the returns itself. Another thing I love is how notes naturally fit people who have no interest in being hands-on. Some folks generally enjoy rehabs, renovations, tenant interactions. They like the project side of things. And that's great for them. But there's the huge group of investors who want the wealth building path without having to get their hands dirty. They want something sophisticated, something intelligent, something that feels like a real financial strategy instead of a newer ending home improvement. Notes meet them exactly where they are. You can be a highly analytical person or a completely passive person and still win with notes because the system itself doesn't require personality, just consistency. That's why so many busy professionals, busy owners, and high-level investors migrate towards notes once they understand them. The model fits their life, not the other way around. And maybe the most surprising thing is how notes make you feel connected to the business of real estate, not the burdens of real estate. With rentals, you're deep in operational weeds. You're dealing with property level problems. But with notes, you're operating at a financial level, almost like a small private bank. You're dealing with numbers, agreements, payment histories, collateral values, decisions that feel clean, strategic, and elevated. Investors often say owning notes makes them feel like they finally stepped into the role they've always wanted. Someone who creates outcomes without being buried into the logistics. It just shifts from I own properties to I control income streams. And that subtitle change opens doors to a completely different way of thinking about wealth. And hey, before you head out, if this whole world of notes and passive income is something you want to dive deeper into, we're putting together something special. We're excited to introduce the Quiet Wealth Method, a proven step-by-step system designed to help you earn steady monthly returns without becoming a landlord, taking on debt, or gambling on the stock market. If you'd like to dive deeper on how this works and get exclusive early access, you can join the waitlist. The link is available in both the description and in the comments. We're also giving you a free resource called the Busy Professionals Real Estate Passive Income Cheat Sheet. That link is also in the description and the comments. And if you want to learn more about what we do, go and explore more about note investing, you can always visit our website at www.ritzelnotes.com. I think you're going to love where this is headed.